So this is the continuation of Hartel's report. So through a GIS system, the catchment manager is able to interrogate data, asking it questions such as what is next to, where is the nearest, where is this a combination of condition is true, and therefore develop improve environmental management practices to conserve and improve water quality. Then the GIS finally gives the opportunity to easy the monitoring exercise of effectiveness of pollution abatement measurement. EQS with river basin management tool. So one age of catchment is classified with respect to the environmental quality objectives. The next steps is undertaking an intensive pilot study to examine effectiveness of a range of option design to improve water quality. So the GIS can help in the first study of pollution's source, while the use detailed numerical methods can confirm and give a solution to the problem. And we have the following three paragraphs give brief summary and processes involved and control. So we have here the urban, industrial, and agricultural. Urban pollution management. So the management of water discharge from the urban drainage system is often serious concern. So the management has problem can be considered without treating the wastewater system, the sewer network and treatment plants of the receiving water. As a single system, in the other words, it must be assured that the resolution of the problem is one of the part of the system does not cause of a new problem elsewhere. So we have a combined water. We have example here a combined sewer overflow and surface water outfalls are the major source of the wastewater discharge. Once the contribution of these polluting source have been identified and flow regime in the receiving body are known, it is the possible to establish the polluting impact the discharge to the water course. So the use of numerical models available for urban drainage. It also to allow the considered all these aspects at the same time giving an engineering the capacity of predicting and the behavior of the catchment and locate the problem, access the best solution. So asking these tools result is overall cost for the water industry having better understanding of cause and extent the problem gives a more focused and cost-effective solutions. We have industrial pollution management. So the industrial pollution management control be addressed one source of relative contribution has been identified. So it must first of all this assisted the effectiveness of restricting pollutant loads. So discharge, it is can discharge to the river. So once difference option has been identified, this can be discussed and industrious to establish which is the most cost effective. After the discharge, consent has been set in necessary to monitoring and necessary to monitor effectives. Then we have agricultural pollution management. So the source of the agricultural management are mainly two. So we have diffuse and functional. So diffuse sources are the pesticides leaching from the free field nutrients from the field drainage, atmospheric deposition, and answered populations and slurry spreading. So the major point source are leaking chemicals and oil is from the storage side. So accidentally into the watercourse. So it is therefore is important for the management of the agricultural pollution. So it is the establishing exactly the nature of catchment and identify with the precision the origin of the daily runoff. So it can be provided by different land management practices, which is are divided in areable agriculture. So agriculture. So we have pasture, forestry, pet structures, and urban. It can be identified as the identifying current land cover data. So once the source have been detected, so it is possible to identify the point source improvement and the atmo in the most appropriate land management techniques. So it will be predict the effectiveness, develop and implement the investment of the plan.